Good morning. This is your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. Seeing mostly cloudy conditions out there to start the day today. Overall, expecting some additional sun to move into the area as we move through the day today, and overall mainly dry conditions as we move through our working hours. But we will once again see a return of shower and storm chances as we get into the later afternoon and in through the evening time frame as well. If we take a look at our current surface analysis, we have a stalled boundary still drifted through the region as we move through the day today. That will continue to be the case over the next 2 days. Otherwise, just seeing those kind of diurnally driven shower and thunderstorm chances across the area with a very summer-like pattern as we move through the next couple days. But if we look at our current conditions this morning, seeing a broken deck at 1,200 feet and broken deck at 25,000 feet. Winds light out of the west to west-southwest at around 6 knots. Temperature at 79 degrees and our relative humidity is at 90%. Local radar is looking clear at this time. If we take a look at the visible satellite, we can see lots of clouds in the area, mainly some high clouds, and then we do have a low cloud deck that's kind of socked in over the area at this time. Again, expecting mostly cloudy through a majority of the day, but we do see a chance of some additional sunshine as we get into the afternoon. That, along with some southwesterly winds, is going to allow those temperatures much warmer than what we saw during the day on yesterday. If we look at the short-term high-resolution model, see how things are expected to play out over the next couple of days. Again, as we move through the majority of the working hours today, overall expecting mainly dry conditions. Again, warmer conditions and a chance for some sunshine, mainly during the afternoon. As we get into the 4 p.m. and thereafter time frame, so we're going to start to see slowly increasing chances of precip as well as lightning in the Wallops area, mainly as we get past the 1800 local time frame. That's when we're going to really see those chances start to increase. As you can see here, model indicating some showers and storms popping up and then continuing to move through the Wallops area, particularly as we get into the evening time frame and through the at least the first part of the overnight time frame, possibly seeing some lingering showers for the early morning hours on Wednesday. And as we start our day on Wednesday, right now could see a few lingering showers, but expecting things to start off on the dry side as we start our day on Wednesday. The NAM model here not indicating as much activity through the working hours. However, important to note some other modeling indicating some ongoing shower and possibly storm activity through the working hours on the day on Wednesdays. With the NAM model obviously not having that, but the NAM does show some activity once again coming together as we get late in the afternoon and into the evening and overnight time frame. So depending on whether we see those showers through the day, tomorrow will pretty much determine kind of what temperatures we will see, whether it be on the warmer side or cooler side, and what kind of activity we see in the area. But nonetheless, do expect some shower and storm chances, particularly better chance during the afternoon into the evening and overnight time frame. And once again, we see a lot of the activity start to diminish as we get to the morning hours on Thursday. And then once again, going into the day on Thursday, we'll see a chance for showers and storms as we get particularly into the afternoon and evening once again. So kind of stuck in this summertime, diurnally driven shower and thunderstorm pattern as we move over the next couple of days. So we look at our 24-hour weather risk chart for today, expecting green conditions as we move through the working hour time frame, just seeing some mostly cloudy conditions as we get into the afternoon, likely seeing some partly cloudy conditions with just a broken deck in the upper levels. But can't rule out being mostly cloudy. So partly mostly cloudy. We'll see our high temperatures peaking around 87 degrees with our heat index values likely staying in the mid 90s range. So not expecting a heat advisory as we move through the day today. We'll see those winds out of the southwest is going to help things warm up. 7 to 12 to 8 to 13 knots with peak winds up around 18 knots. A more southerly component to the wind as we get later in the afternoon. That's when we start to pick up that yellow risk for precip and lightning as we get past the 4 p.m. or 1600 local time frame, starting off with about a 25% chance and then increasing to a 40% chance as we pass 1800 and continue into the evening. And then that starts to increase as we get past 2200 local or 10 p.m., increasing to a 60% chance, and that continues as we move through the overnight time frame. So bumping up to that orange risk for precip and lightning, and that holds on until about 4 a.m. and then keep a lingering chance of rain shower in the area to finish out the morning. In addition, a very slight chance, about a 15% chance of seeing any lightning in the area at that time, and we'll also have that chance for some reduced ceilings of visibility, so keep that yellow risk with those evening showers pushing through the area. Expecting our low to get around 73 degrees for our Wednesday morning low. We'll see those winds lighten up a bit out of south-southwest. We start off the day with southwesterly winds for our Wednesday. Tides are running normal at this time, and looking at the next couple of days, again, Wednesday, mostly cloudy to overcast. Have a chance of showers and thunderstorms, especially during the afternoon and evening, high around 86 degrees. If we see any shower activity earlier on, that high will likely be a little bit lower, but orange risk for that precip chance and yellow for that lightning risk. Continue with yellow precip and lightning risk into Wednesday evening, with mostly cloudy overcast conditions and chances of showers and thunderstorms, mainly early on, and do keep a yellow risk for reduced ceilings and visibilities, a low expected around 73 degrees. And then Thursday, we'll see mostly cloudy overcast conditions once again with those chances of showers and thunderstorms. Slightly cooler with a high around 83 degrees, but do have that orange risk for precip and yellow for lightning as we continue with this summer-like pattern. So that's going to wrap up the 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. Take a look at the extended forecast. Enjoy your morning.